Hi everyone, this is Learning with Mr. Q. This video is part of a series on the FSA Mathematics Practice Test question. And so this video is really just meant to help students if they're answering these questions, which you can find on the Florida Department of Education website. Just do a little Google search for 4th grade practice test. And if you get to number 6 and you're not sure how to answer it, I'm going to walk you through it and just go step by step and hopefully help you understand how to answer these types of questions. All right, so number 6, it says, this question has two parts. Two numbers are multiplied using the area model shown. And so we can see our area model. And then part A says, complete the statement for the box. Fill in the bubble before the value that is correct. And so here's our sentence. The value of the missing number in the area model is. And so we're trying to find out what the value is, that question mark. In order to do that, we need to multiply using partial products. We're finding, these are the partial products right in here. Those are parts of the final product. The product is the answer to a multiplication problem. In order to find out the question mark, you want to multiply the 7 times the 90, right? So when we did 7 times 2,000, that's the 14,000. 7 times 700 is 4,900. So now 7 times 90 is what we're looking at. So 7 times 90 is 630. And so we just bubble that in. And then we go to part B. What is the product? So now we're looking at the final answer of the two numbers represented by the area model. So we want to take all four partial products. And so we got that 630 right in here, right? So we want to take those four partial products, write them down. And now it's important that you line up the numbers according to their place value. That way when you're adding them, you're adding the correct place values. So you put the ones and the tens and the hundreds and thousands and 10,000s lined up. So we start with the ones place value. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then 9 plus 6 is 15. You regroup that. And then 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 more is 9. And then going to the 10,000s, 1 plus nothing else is just 1. And so we have a total of 19,551. We find it here in our bubble options. We bubble that in nice and clear. And that's it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching Learning with Mr. Q. I hope that helps.